How to fix server execution failed error code. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're facing this server execution failed error, it could be because of Windows backup. So we have a certain solution for it. First of all, we can write a command to restart the Windows from the command prompt. For that, open the command prompt, run it as administrator and open it. After that, you are supposed to give two commands. The first command is net stop sdrsvc. Doing so will stop your Windows backup, and then once the command is completed, you need to restart it. For that, tap in net start sdrsvc. This is one way to do so. For the second solution, you can go to the search button again. Now type in services and open the services button. Once it is open, you have to search for this specific folder which is called as Windows Backup. You have to just click on it, stop it once and start it again. And this could probably solve the problem. After doing all this, you can restart your device once, and that's it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.